things up while they just is it collecting people?
Yep, it's collecting, I think. Swap.
Free swap button. Yeah, we're good. Oh, I'm getting a thumbs up from a viewer.
Swap. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, getting some loves. Yay. We're still gonna.
Yeah, no, we're good. That's our cameraman, Jonathan Nuss, behind the camera. Hi, I'm Marcel at Roarockit. Thanks for joining us for another Facebook Live. This one's going to be a bit of a locals special, but before I get into that, I want to talk about our veneer. We just got a fresh stock in, and so we, again, have lots and lots of birch veneer for sale, and we are stocked again in our double wide veneer. So if you've been checking out our e-commerce store and noticing that they are either sold out or for pre-sale only, you'll find that's changed, and we're ready to accept your orders for that stuff. So birch and double wide maple veneer are for sale again, so we're excited to bring that to you guys. Of course, everything else, our regular maple veneer, our dyed maple veneer, all of our tack kits, everything else is usually always in stock and healthy supply, so let's see those orders come in, guys. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to talk about this Sunday. Roarockit and Bombora Boards are hosting the 10th annual swap meet. This is a really, really popular event. Great way to kick off the start of the season. It's a local buy-sell trade event for longboarders and skaters all over the GTA, General Ontario, some people from Quebec, and a lot of people from New York State like to show up. Plus, we welcome greatly all of you visitors from a longer distance. Swap meet's a really, really good time. And we invite all of you to come out and bring your gear and try to make some deals. Swap meet happens this Sunday between the hours of 12 and 4 p.m. So we hope to see you then. Followed by a post-swap slide sesh at the good old Poop Shoots, hosted by Skaty Daters. Swap meet is like I said, it's just a local buy-sell trade. Skaters, longboarders, parents, kids, new riders, teachers, classrooms, whatever. This is a great place to show up and either bring your old and used gear to sell or trade with other people. And it's a great place if you're new or just looking for some new gear. You can pick it up used. Skate gear used is generally really, really good, so you can definitely put together a nice complete for very little money. We've also got a couple of shops coming to help out. They might do some setups, maybe some little bits here and there. We'll have a booth with all of our stuff laid out, so you can come and check out and see what Roarockit's all about. I believe Bombora Boards will have a booth, so you can check out their boards. And who knows? It's always a surprise every year to see who comes out and helps build this out for this incoming summer. So yeah, again, we hope to see all you guys there. It's such a blast. We've got Roarockit provides free food, so we do like hamburgers, hot dogs. We got free coffee throughout the day, and yeah, I think that's it about that. If you want to find out how to get there, check out our Facebook page. We've got an event page up. You can find it through either Bombora or our group page, but look for Swap 10.
And Skate Slate.
And Skate Slate as well. They've got an announcement on their website. Thank you very much, Skate Slate. So directions are on there. We got a little bit of rules about parking and whatnot on there. I don't want to get into that here. But we've also got prizes for Sunday. It's kind of our favorite part. We get to give away all kinds of stuff and help people get started for the summer. We're gonna have we got T-shirts to give away. We got a fresh supply of cute little buttons to give away. we're actually going to be giving away Swap 10 buttons as part of a raffle. Look for myself, look for Jonathan, look for Rob from Bombora. We'll be asking you a question, a very easy question, and you'll get yourself a Swap 10 button. And you're going to use this as an entry for the prizes. We're going to do a raffle, we'll be drawing numbers, and it will match the number on your button. Yeah, great way to win some extra stuff. We're going to have, like I said, we got t-shirts, we've got our boards. This is our fantastic little Bombora pre-shaped deck that we are going to talk about in a couple of weeks. Perhaps make a more official announcement on our Facebook page. But this is the one we screen printed 2 weeks ago for you guys. We're going to be giving this bad boy away. We're also going to have some other boards. We got some really rad cruiser here from FS Boards. And hopefully we'll have some other swag to give away on Sunday. I think that's it about prizes. Again, just come find us, get yourself a button for an easy skill testing question, and you've got a chance to win a prize. The event on Sunday, I know some of you are thinking about this, but it is rain or shine. We've got a really good, spacious indoor area. We're hoping that the weather works out for us. It usually does for swap meets. Yeah, that's, I think, about it that covers swap. Again, this is perfect for all ages. It's a great place to go and trade your gear, try out new gear. I like to use it as a place to pick up new wheels and try out new wheels, because there's especially in the longboarding world, there's a ton of variety of wheels. And these guys go through theirs like nuts. So, yeah, join us on Sunday. We hope to see you guys there. We're going to definitely be bringing the stoke no matter what the weather's like. Skate Invaders is going to throw down a really rad slide jam afterwards. And
for me, I'll be at the poop shoot afterwards, hosting the slide jam.
Yeah, they should have, Skate Invaders should have prizes as well, prizes and giveaways for the post-swap slide sesh. So yeah. If you've got any other questions, feel free to email me, ask them in the bottom comments, or just check out the swap page and post up there. People are already populating that one and posting up what they want to sell, what they're going to bring.
Swap.
I think one thing I can mention too is we're going to give away as well a prize for social media participation during the events. If you have a phone with you or camera or anything, we'll be keeping an eye out on the hashtag swap10 hashtag. And whoever ends up bringing the most activity, the most engagement, will be receiving a special prize. We'll have kits to give away as well for that, and yeah. I believe that covers everything. I know this is a little bit of a short Facebook Live this week, but swap's kind of the big thing on our radar coming up, so we're really pumped for that. We're getting all ready for it, and again, third time, hope to see you there. Thanks, guys. Marcel for Roarockit. I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.
Swap.